Welcome back. Welcome to episode 2. Today's session, we're going to talk about joining a Zoom meeting. I'm going to show you 3 different ways. One is by far the most common, but it's nice to know the other 2. Then episode 3 will all be about being a participant in a Zoom meeting and some of your options that you have there. So I'm going to share a example of the most common way that we can join a Zoom meeting. I have an Android device, an Android tablet that has never been on Zoom before, and we have an invite from a host that has sent out information about calling into test call, and I'm going to give it a try on this device that has never been on Zoom before. So let me just kind of run through this, right? So here's the URL that we usually are comfortable with. One of the things also that are important in these things might be this password and this meeting ID. That's valuable in the next options, and I'll show you that in a bit. But in this one, we're going to do just what everybody usually does. They click on the link, that opens a browser. Then the browser tries to connect to the meeting, and it's going to ask to launch the meeting application. Now, I sped this up because it can take a little bit. But what happened is because this tablet does not have any software on it, it gave you an option to go to the Google Play Store and to load the Zoom client. And so that's what this is. It's asking you to install it. You click on install. It will download and install the application code, the application that you need, and then you're going to click. Then you could click open. But if you do that, what will happen is the application will open, but it won't have any meeting information in it. All the meeting information is contained in the link that you clicked on. So what I've done here is I switched back to the browser session that I had when I tried to launch. And then you're going to click on launch meeting. And then now, because you've installed the app, it will launch the app. It's going to prompt you for a name of the device because this is a new device, and then it's going to jump right into Zoom. There's the name. I put my name in there so the host knows who I am, and then I hit OK, and voila! Before you know it, I am in there, and there's the whiteboard hello from my host. So that's the most common. Occasionally, what will happen is you get invited to a meeting and the link doesn't work. And there could be a couple of different reasons for that. But one of the easiest ways, especially if you don't have the application installed, is if you go to zoom.us, click on join a meeting, then it's going to ask you for the meeting ID, which was either in the invite or maybe you got it from a participant because what you had was wrong. You can click on that, then you hit join. It's going to then prompt you for the passcode, and then it'll launch the code, launch the application on your machine, and you're in without any situation, without any issues, without any problems. The last way to do this is fairly common as well. This is an example of Windows. It's got the application on here. It's just actually the same web workflow, right? I click join meeting. It's going to ask me the meeting, and I'm going to put that meeting number. I'm going to put the meeting number in there. I'm going to tell them my name, and I'm going to click on do not connect audio, or do not turn on my video. Now really just so that I don't connect all that and might cause an audio loop because I've got different systems on this system doing that. And then you hit, then I hit join, and it's going to ask me for the meeting password. And as soon as that happens, you'll see the same hello greeting that I had in the other device, and there I am. I'm in the call. So that is that is 3 ways to join. The link is the most important one, but there will be times, the more Zoom sessions that you do, the more chances there are that you'll run into a situation maybe where you need to join manually. So now you know how to join by the application and also join by the website as well. All right, see you in episode 3. Have a good day.